Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss almost 100 MCQs, a very important question from the non-chordates part of animal kingdom. But before we jump into the question, I want to share some basic terms and concepts with you. This fundamental will make it much easier to understand the question and avoid common mistake in exam. So let's quickly revise these important terms and then move on the MCQ practice session. So let's go. So firstly, I am giving number to this. Porifera means 1, Cylindrata means 2, Ctenophora means 3, Platyhelminthes means 4, Escarmentis means 5, Annelida means 6, Arthropoda 7, 8 is Mollusca, 9 is Echinodermata, and Hemichordata means 10, and 11 is Chordata. So now, level of organization, cellular, tissue, organ system. Cellular is 1 means Porifera, tissue means 2, 3 means Cylindrata, Ctenophora, organs 4, Platyhelminthes, organ system 5 to 11, SK2, Chordata. Body plan, cellular aggregates, blind sac, tube, urine tube, body plan. Cellular aggregation is 1, Porifera, blind sac 2, 3, 4, Cylindrata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, tube, urine tube is 5 to 11 means SK2, Annelida, SK2, Chordata. Symmetry, asymmetry, radial symmetry, parietal symmetry. Asymmetry means 1 means Porifera, radial symmetry comes in 2, 3 and Echinodermata adult, 2, 3 means Cylindrata, Ctenophora and Echinodermata adult. Parietal symmetry 4 to 11 means Platyhelminthes to Chordata and Echinodermata is larva. Germ layer, diploblastic, triploblastic. Diploblastic 2, 3, Cylindrata and Ctenophora. Triploblastic 4 to 11 means Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Coelom, acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, eucoelomate. Acoelomate 1, 2, 3, 4, Porifera, Cylindrata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate 5, Escarmentis. Eucoelomate 6 to 11 means Annelida to Chordata. Metameric segmentation means metamerism. Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata. These are some terms used in NCERT. So let's check this one. Water transport air canal system, Porifera. Water vascular system is Echinodermata. Metagenesis, Cylindrata. Bioluminescence, Ctenophora. Radula, Mollusca. Hook and sucker present in Platyhelminthes. Muscular fillings is present in Escarmentis. So here we complete the basics. So let's move on to MCQ. So here is the first question. Mark the odd one, matlab incorrect. With respect to absence of notochord, मतलब नॉन कॉर्डेट्स में कौन नहीं आता? मेडियाना, सिलेंड्रेटा ये आता है, टेंटेलम मोलस्का ये आता है, फिर ये भी आता है ट्रिनोप्लेना मोलस्का, लेकिन ब्रैंकियोसा नहीं आता, तो आंसर होगा थर्ड नंबर. सेकंड सेगमेंटेशन इज सीन इन एनालिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा, चॉर्डाटा, to all of this. Which of the following exhibits organ level of organizations? Platyhelminthes. Cavity between body wall and alimentary canal lined by mesoderm is called coelom. Select the odd one, मतलब incorrect one. With respect to radial symmetry, radial symmetry में कौन कौन आता है? 2, 3 Echinodermata adult. 2, 3 मतलब Cylindrata and Ctenophora. Ctenophora आता है, Cylindrata भी आता है, and Echinodermata में आता है, तो Annelida नहीं आता. तो second number होगा आंसर. Characteristic features that is not related to kingdom Animalia. Storage of carbohydrate esters नहीं, esters plant में आता है, तो 1 number होगा आंसर. Select the features which is incorrect with respect to the classification of animals. Okay, germ layer, pathway of water transport, ये बोल सकते हैं, pattern of organization of cell, ये बोल सकते हैं, तो आंसर होगा इसका select the feature which is incorrect with respect to the classification of animals. Pathway of water transport, इसका आंसर होगा B. Arteries, veins and capillaries are found in which type of circulatory system? Artery, veins and capillary closed circulatory system. So 9 number. Which of the following animals have diploblastic acoelomate conditions? Diploblastic means 2 and 3, Cylindrata and Ctenophora. Acoelomate presence in 1, 2, 3, 4, मतलब Porifera, Cylindrata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. तो एग्जाम्पल्स आर एस्केरिस, ये नहीं हो सकता, टेपवर्म ये नहीं हो सकता, सी एनिमोनी, ये सिलेंड्रेटा डिप्लोप्लास्टिक भी है, एस्ट्रोमेट भी है, तो आंसर इज सेकंड. द ओरिजिन ऑफ नोटोकॉर्ड का ओरिजिन मेसोडर्मल होता है. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन स्पॉन्जेस इज सेलुलर. व्हिच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग टर्म्स रिप्रेजेंट कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स? कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स को कौन क्या क्या बोलता है? एक्टोथर्म भी बोलता है और पोइकोथर्म भी बोलता है, तो आंसर होगा बोथ 1 and 3. Complete digestive system is found in Platyhelminthes. Digestive system is incomplete in Platyhelminthes because it absorbs food from general body surface. It consists of hook and suckers in parasitic form. It has only one opening that serves as both mount and हाँ blind sec इसलिए इसको incomplete digestive system बोलते हैं मतलब in which of the following phylum digestive system is first completed digestive systems मतलब tube urine tube उसका example है 5 to 11 first is 5 means Scalmantis. In which of the following phylum circulatory system is first completed in Annelida. In which of the following phylum respiratory system is first completed Arthropoda. Read the statement carefully. Notochord is mesodermally derived rod-like structure formed on the ventral side ये wrong है during embryonic development in some animals. Chordates. Point out a misprinting. Ventral side is misprinting. First option is origin is not mesodermal. नहीं ये नहीं. Structure is not rod-like होता है. Dorsal side instead of ventral side. हाँ आंसर होगा थर्ड नंबर. Which of the following organisms consist of a open circulatory system? Open circulatory system is Anthe. ठीक है NTHE. ऐसे है Annelida जो कि कॉकरोच में आता है एन से है नॉन सेफेलो मोलस्क में स्नेल भी आता है तो बोथ 1 and 2 ऑप्शन जाएगा. फिर आता है which of the following is acylomate as well as bilateral symmetry. Acylomate 1 2 3 4 and bilateral symmetry is 4 to 11. So which of the following is acylomate as well as bilateral symmetry? Liver fluke. Which of the following statements refers to metameric segmentation? Is externally and internally divided into segments? Yes. Each segment of body has real repetition of at least of some organs. Yes. So answer आएगा both 1 and 2. So next one is select the incorrect statement. Incorrect. In an open type of circulatory system, the tissue are directly parted in blood. 100% true. In analysis, there is only one opening in digestive system. No, analysis have complete digestive system. There have two opening. That is tube, urine tube, body plan. Echinodermata is non-chordate. True. Nidaria is another name of Ctenophora. नहीं. Nidaria is another name of Coelenterata. So B and D is incorrect. Which of the following categories of animal consist of a closed circulatory system? Closed का आंसर होगा Annelida. Which of the following organisms show radial symmetry? Radial symmetry का एग्जाम्पल क्या था आपका 2 3 एंड Echinodermata का एडल्ट. सो Coelenterata हाँ 2 मतलब Coelenterata 3 मतलब Ctenophora एंड Echinodermata का एडल्ट. तो ऑल ऑफ दिस आएगा इसका आंसर. The phylum which is bilateral symmetrical and has 4 coelom means pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom का एक एग्जाम्पल है Scalmantis जो कि होगा 4. This phylum show triploblastic organization and bilateral symmetry during evolution. Triploblastic means 4 to 11. Triploblastic means 4 to 11 and bilateral का एग्जाम्पल ही 4 to 11 है. तो पोरीफेरा नहीं होगा, Nidaria भी नहीं होगा. Scalmantis and Platyhelminthes. Which phylum show triploblastic organization and bilateral symmetry during evolution? During evolution मतलब फर्स्ट किस पे आया है? फर्स्ट आया है Platyhelminthes. ऑप्शन होगा 4. Which of the following features evolved first in Annelida? Triploblastic development from 4 to 11. First I have Platyhelminthes. Bilateral symmetry examples are 4 to 11 again. So first is Platyhelminthes. Coelenterata ये क्या तो नहीं होगा. 2 coelom हाँ coelom का एग्जाम्पल था 6 to 11. फर्स्ट टाइम seen in Annelida. ऑप्शन होगा 4. In some animals groups the body is found divided into compartment with serial repetition of at least इसका आंसर होगा metamerism. Find out the statement that is not incorrect. So that is not correct means incorrect. Mesogalia is found between endoderm and ectoderm in ovalia. Ovalia का एग्जाम्पल है Coelenterata में mesoderm फाउंड होता है. हाँ शायद करेक्ट है ये. रेडियल सिमेट्री इज फाउंड इन एस्टेरियस मतलब Echinodermata. इसमें रेडियल सिमेट्री यस फाउंड. फेसिला इज ए सीडोसिलोमेट एलिमेंट. नहीं सीडोसिलोमेट है ओनली 5 मतलब Scalmantis एंड फेसिला Platyhelminthes का एग्जाम्पल है. तो ये होगा इनकरेक्ट. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू सीडोसिलोमेट्स. Body cavity is lined by mesoderm. No. Body cavity is not lined by mesoderm. Yes. So, correct option will be second. The main characteristic features that allow us to broadly divide the animal kingdoms is and or are level of organization and xylem. Yes. Cellular organization and symmetry. Yes. Notochord and segmentation. Yes. All of this. In sponges, flow of water current in spongocele is regulated by collar cell, amivate cell, epithelial cell, all of this. Collar cell. In a biology laboratory, students were observing some permanent slides of phylum of in the animal kingdom. Each student was given a difficult slide. One student, after observing his slide, describes the phylum by saying that sexes are not separated, means monoecious. Fertilization is internal. Their skeleton is made up of spicules. Larval stage is also seen, means indirect development. The organisms belongs to the phylum described above. It is saying that monoecious and then internal fertilization and then indirect development. So all belongs to phylum Porifera. The example of phylum Porifera is Aurelia is not, Loligon no, Mandiana no, Cycon is the answer. Select the one which is known as bud sponge. Bud sponge is the common name of Euspongia. Which of the following have cellular grade of organization? Porifera. Minute spot in the body wall that corresponds to the mouth is ostia. Reproduction in sponges takes place by fragmentation, gamete formation, both 1 and 2, and budding. Both 1 and 2. The skeletal of sponges is made up of spicules and spongin fiber. Skeletals of sponges is made up of spicules or sponges fiber भी है तो both 1 and 3 ये नहीं होगा. Spongocele is surrounded via in sponges monocyte. Skeletal of corals is composed of calcium carbonate. Cylindrata is not related to sea cucumber, sea lily, sea star, all of this. Sea star. Oh, sorry, no. Sea star. All of this. Which of the following is a characteristic cell of Hydra? Answer will be neuroblast. Sticking capsule in phylum is called nematocyst. Polyp stage is not present in Aurelia. Which of the following is a function of neuroblast? Capturing the prey, encourage defense, all of this. Which of the following is most appropriate term for the life cycle of Ovelia? Metagenesis. Bioluminescence property is well marked in Ctenophora. The process of fertilization in comb jellies and sea walnut is external. Mark the odd one, matlab incorrect one, with respect to the phylum Ctenophora. Complex, yes. Asexual reproduction occurs. Which of the following organisms consist of complete? Pleurobrachia. If 1 represents the extracellular organization, 2 represents the intracellular organization, and 3 represents both type, for Cylindrata, Ctenophora and Porifera, select the correct option. Cylindrata के लिए both, so 3. Ctenophora also both, so 3, and Porifera is only internal, so 3, 3, 2 will be the correct answer. Select the statement which is true for comb jellies. The digestion is exclusively extracellular. They possess 10 row. No, they possess 8 row. They are monoecious. Yeah, they are monoecious. Their sexes are not separated. They possess flame cells. No. High regeneration capacity is present in planaria. The correct statement. Fasciola is a diploblastic animal. Radial symmetry is found in flatworm. Fertilization is external in Porifera. Member of platyhelminth is also called flatworm. Yes. Below are the some features of platyhelminth. How many are them are not correct? Round body, no. Diploblastic, and diploblastic. True, 3, 4 to 11. So it is also incorrect. Bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry is 4 to 11. So it is correct. Endoparasite. Endoparasite. Yes, it is correct. Internal fertilization and coelomate. Coelomate is not correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Name the structure that helps in osmoregulation in the flatworm flame cell. Read the following statement. Hooks and circles are present in parasitic form. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host directly by their body surface. Fertilization, internal, and development is to many rubber stages. We are talking about platyhelminths mantis. Select the set of phylum and its three examples are Porifera, Sponsula, nahi incorrect hai. Select the set of phylum. Okay. Nidaria, incorrect. Platyhelminths, Planaria, incorrect. Esclemontis, Ascaris, and Ancylostomes is correct. Read the following statement carefully. They are triploblastic. Alimentary canal is complete with the well-developed muscular pharynx present in Esclemontis. Yes. An excretory tube removes the waste. Correct. They are dioecious. Correct. Fertilization is internal. Correct. Above features belongs to which phylum? Escarmentis. Hookworm is common name of Encyclostomata. Ascaris is characterized by absence of true coelom but presence of metamerism. No. Presence of neither true coelom nor metamerism. Yes. Presence of muscular pharynx. Triploblastic. Mesodermal present as scalar process. Body is circular in cross section. Ascaris means Ascaris. Nephridia is used for osmoregulation, digestion, swimming. Osmoregulation. Podia helps in locomotion, digestion, osmoregulation, and swimming. Which of the following phylums show true segmentation of body? Platyhelminths, Esclemontis, Annelida, Pinovora. Annelida. Which of the following is dioecious? Dioecious is Nereis. Select true and false for the following statement. Parallel appendages are present in Pheretima. False. Paired ganglia are present in the nervous system. True. Urinaria is bisexual. True. Earthworm is hermaphrodite. True. So false, true, true, true. True, true, false, true. False, false, true, true. False, true, true. False, true, true, true. The 4 will be the correct answer. Now, arthropoda. Which of the following pairs not correctly match? Pilla globulosa, Parloster. 8 incorrect है. Lecifer lake insect correct. Bombyx mori silkworm correct. Apis indica honeybee correct. Which of the following is a living fish fossil? Limulus. ये वाला क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया. Okay, next question. What proportion of name species present on Earth phylum under phylum Arthropoda? 1/3. King crab is also known as living fossil. Which of the following describes malfigant tubule? Excretory organs of insect. Two common characters found in honeybee, silverfish, scorpion, cockroach, and crabs are chondrite legs and chitin and the skeleton. It is the exoskeleton of phylum Arthropoda is made up of chitin. Arthropods show similarity with Annelida as they both possess parietal symmetry. Insects are mostly viviparous. Which of the following is correctly matched? Silkworm, Lecifer. No. Lake insect, Apis. No. Gregarious pest, Locusta. Yes, third number option. The balancing organ in arthropods is stetocyst. Which of the following is true regarding Nereis, scorpion, cockroach, starfish? All possess a dorsal heart. None is aquatic. Present in same division. All possess what is the correct. Which of the following phylum comprises compound eye? Arthropoda. Exclusion in member of arthropoda takes place by malficentific green glands, correct gland, all of this. Which of the following characteristic is shared by all arthropods? Complete metamorphosis, no. Wings, no. Jointed appendages, yes. Mollusca. In mollusca, body is surrounded by a external skeleton composed of calcium carbonate. Mantle is in mollusca is present over visceral hump. Which characteristic differentiate phylum mollusca from other invertebrates? Exoskeleton and bilateral symmetry, segmented body and shell, mantle and unsegmented body. Mantle and unsegmented body. Radula is a rasping organ which is found in tusk shell and both 1 and 2. Sensory tentacles in mollusca are found in anterior head. Of the following is an excretory system of echinoderm. Malficent tubule, no. Arthropods, nephridium, no. Phlegm cell, no. None. Name the phylum is derived from certain features of animals. Select how many of these are correct. Cnidaria, Nidoplast, Nidocyte. Flatworm dorsoventrally flattened body. Plate element is phlegm cells for excretion. 3 of these are correct. Select true and false for the following statement with respect to phylum Echinodermata. Larva of Echinodermata has bilateral symmetry. True. Water vascular system is present where in water enters through ostia, not ostia. False. Sea urchin is also known as asterias. False. So correct answer will be true, false, false, true, false, false, 1. Which of the following is found in both Cylindritas and Echinodermata? Symmetry. The most distinctive features of Echinodermata is presence of endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles, no. Absence of skeletal system, no. Presence of water vascular system, yes. Italium and Ophiura show similarities as both are diploplastic and pseudocoelomate. No. Diploplastic and pseudocoelomate, yes. Diploplastic. So it's diploplastic and coelomate. Coelomate is from 6 to 11, where mollusca is also present and Echinodermata is also present. Sea lily is common name of Antedon. A list of mammals is given below. Identify the animals with an open circulatory system and choose the correct answer. Ascidia, no. Cockroach, yes. Open circulatory system. Anthe. So Arthropoda comes in cockroach. So cockroach comes in Arthropoda. Earthworm, no. Brown, yes. Silverfish, yes. Nereis, no. Brinklius, yes. So correct answer will be 4. The structure present below proboscis in Balenoglossus is trunk, no. Gill slit, no. कॉलर तो राइट आंसर, क्योंकि ऐसा करके कुछ स्ट्रक्चर था एनसीईआरटी में, इसमें कॉलर आता है. Excretory organ of glasses is proboscis gland, parapodia, proboscis gland will correct answer. So here are the 100 questions, means 98 questions of non-chordates. So in next season we will discuss about chordata. So तब तक के लिए bye. Thank you.